Hi everyone, this is Herbert Flores. I'm here to talk about how to maximize your productivity online. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you'll get a notification.
Everyone knows that when you're browsing the internet, you're probably juggling multiple tabs and apps at once. Well, it's time to stop. I found a new way to make your life easier. An AI web assistant that can help you save time by opening any tab on your browser. You'll never have to juggle multiple tabs again. All you have to do is to install the new AI web assistant on your favorite browser without opening ChatGPT on a new tab or window on your browser. To learn more, keep on watching.
Alright, so right now I'm here at ChatGPT website wherein you can input your prompt here and you can ask anything with ChatGPT and it will help you to generate content. So example, if you want to write a unique SEO article, if you want to have a mid-journey prompt generator, there's a lot of prompts that you can use on ChatGPT and this will help you to generate more content on your business. But the problem is that you need to open ChatGPT on a new tab, then you need to paste your content on a Google Docs, or if you want to save it on a notepad, right? So you need to open a multiple tab so that you can paste your content. But right now, I want to share to you a brand new tool that allows ChatGPT and use it on your favorite browser. And this tool is called ChatPen. You can activate ChatGPT on any website with ChatPen. There's a video here wherein you can learn about this software. It will be on your favorite browser like on Edge, on Mozilla, or if you are using Google Chrome. Okay, plus the ChatGPT. So you can use it only on your desktop or on your laptop. Okay, and here's how it works. You need to install ChatPen. Then step 2, you need to add the ChatGPT API. Then you need to open the widget on your favorite website like Facebook or Gmail or Twitter, anywhere. Then step 3, you can generate and insert a content. You don't need to open ChatGPT on another browser, then you need to copy the content and you can paste it on your favorite website. So the advantage of using this ChatPen, so you can save a lot of time and in just one click integration, you can use this tool. It's a user-friendly and it's a real-time assistance. Your data is safe with ChatPen. Everything is saved on your browser. It enhances your productivity and boosts efficiency and get more done in less time. And you can buy this ChatPen for only $19. So you can use this unlimited. So you can get unlimited access to a ChatPen for lifetime. And immediately you can access to all new features and updates. No recurring payment or hidden fees. Plus you can get an email or chat support if you have some problem using this tool. Okay, so now I will show you how to install this ChatPen. Okay, so right now I'm here on my dashboard wherein once you buy this, so you can get a username and password, then you can now download the Google Chrome app, okay? Or you can also watch these 2 video trainings to learn how to install the ChatPen and how to use it, okay? So now I will download this Google Chrome add-on software. So by clicking this one, we will be redirect on this. Then we need to click on add to Chrome. So after that, just click on add extension. So just wait a few minutes. So after that, our ChatPen is now added on our Google Chrome. Okay, as you can see right here. So you can click this extension. Then you can now find the ChatPen. Then click on pin. Okay, so right now we already installed the ChatPen extension. And we will go here at my Facebook. Let's click on this ChatPen. So we need to enter our username and password. Then click on login. So we can now use this software, okay? So just go to your favorite site, example on Facebook. Just click on what's on your mind. So you can now use on creating a post on Facebook without opening a new tab
for your ChatGPT software or account. Okay, just click on this chat icon. Then you need to add your ChatGPT API key. Okay, by clicking these settings, so you can enter your API key right here. So we will now log in on my ChatGPT. Okay, so to get your API key, you need to go to platform.openai.com/accounts/api.keys. Then after that, you need to create a new secret key. Then click your name, example ChatPen3. Then click on create a secret key. Then after that, you need to copy this one and then go back to your chat open dialog box and enter the API key and click on save. So once you click the save, OpenAI API key is now saved. So you can now try it. So create a Facebook social post with emoji about happy Monday. Then click on send. Okay, so after that, ChatPen will give you a social post that you can use for Happy Monday. Okay, so I can now copy this one and I can now close this and I can now click right here and post it on my Facebook. Using your Gmail, you can click on compose. So on creating subject, you can now click on this chat icon and you can now ask this dialog box. Okay, so you can type your message. So create a email subject to follow up my email list to upgrade on Live Good. And then click on send. Okay, so now I already have my subject. So I can now copy this one without opening a new tab on ChatGPT. Okay, so right here on your Gmail, you can now use ChatGPT. Now let's create a body. Okay, so create an email swipe about my follow-up. Then click on send. Just wait while the ChatGPT is working. Okay, so right now we already have the email body. Okay, so you can copy this one and you can use it and send it to your leads or to your customers. So whatever you want. If you have a blog, you can also use it on your blog, or using Google Docs, so you can also use this ChatPen. So on this title, just type the command chat, then colon, and the ChatPen widget or dialog box will pop up, and now you can type your message right here. So example, create an article about this content. So just type the content or anything you want to ask, and ChatGPT using Chat Open will help you to create a content. Then click on send again. Then let's wait for it. Alright, so right now we already have our article right here that we can copy. Then we can also ask about the title. So give me the best title for it. Then click on send. Okay, so now we already have our title. So just close here and we will paste first the article. Then just type again the command and copy again the content. Okay, so this one, just copy and we will paste it right here, the title. Now I already have my content or article that I want to use if I want to create a blog post, okay, about a specific topic or anything you want. Okay, so that's how ChatPen works. So if you want to grab this, just click on the link below and install it on your favorite browser for only $19. If you have some question or comment, just leave a comment below. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest update on my next video. So thank you for watching, and God bless.